Here's a 2014 GMC Acadia. It's just what you need in a full-size crossover. A large and impressive interior with functional carrying capability. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.